all the cousins from the Wanyoike side, the family. That's all of us. Who are there? They're all coming. All right. Thank you so much for coming here. Let's see, Victor, Brian, me, Sarah, Jennifer, Carol, Diana, Naomi, Jerry, Caris, Irene, Caris. Thank you all for joining me. We are more than that, I know. And again, thank you for coming. Like I said, Angela Wanyoike, actually, they call me Angel. I have the unique joy of being, I was put between being like her niece stroke grandchild. So together with the children and my mom, I was also given quite a bit of money all the time. My mom would come and say, oh, this is from auntie, and I'd say it's like money. Fantastic. So she was such a giver and we love her. I couldn't write a tribute on my own, I couldn't write. So I asked Jenny to write for all of us. I'm not planning to write a tribute because it's going to take too long. And yeah, so Jenny, she wrote for us because she embodied everything. She wrote and embodied everything we are all feeling as her nephew's nieces. She will read.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jennifer Wanyoike. I'm the niece to the late Lizzie Wanyoike. And I think I'll just go right into reading the tribute because I don't think I'm strong enough to give my personal tribute. So here it comes. In loving memory of Auntie Lizzie from nieces and nephews. In the tapestry of our lives, there are threads woven with love, laughter, and the gentle touch of those who leave an inedible mark on our hearts. Today, we gather to celebrate the life of a remarkable woman, our beloved Auntie Lizzie, whose presence illuminated our world with warmth and kindness. Auntie Lizzie was not just an aunt, she was our mom, a guiding light, a source of unwavering support, and a repository of wisdom. Her laughter was infectious, filling us with joy, and her smile could brighten even the darkest of days. She had a unique way of making everyone around her feel cherished and valued. She was a mom to us, the one who we would consult on confiding when we had personal problems. She would use her dry jokes. Yeah, I remember her jokes that were so dry, but we always enjoyed them. On us, when she wanted to pass a message across or advise us on life matters. She always told it in black and white, just to make her message clear. Beyond that, Auntie Lizzie was a reservoir of transforming and uplifting lives. She supported us financially by paying for our school fees. Some of us, she let us live in one of her property rent-free, giving us jobs at NIPS Technical, and sometimes even giving us grants and loans and gifts, maybe whenever she traveled abroad. And to boost us in various aspects of life. Her stories were not just narratives. They were wellsprings of wisdom that shaped our understanding of the world. She taught us the importance of kindness, the power of resilience, and the beauty of finding joy in the simplest of moments. Auntie Lizzie was a pillar of strength during times of sorrow, and a beacon of hope during moments of darkness. Her unwavering support and encouragement inspired us to persevere through challenges and to embrace life with courage and grace. She defended and believed in us and the potential each one of us carried when no one else did. as we bid farewell to Auntie Lizzie, let us not dwell on the void left by her departure, but instead celebrate the richness of the tapestry she wove into our lives. Her legacy lives on in the memories we shared, the lessons she imparted, and the love she showered upon us. May we carry forward the torch of Auntie Lizzie's love and compassion, spreading warmth and kindness to others, just as she did throughout her beautiful and meaningful life. Rest in peace, dear Auntie Lizzie. Our mom, our mentor, our source of inspiration, our bestie, and our wing woman. You will forever remain in our hearts as a cherished and irreplaceable part of the story of our lives. Thank you.
We want to thank God for the section so far that we've been able to give to the family. I request that we all rise and sing a hymn as we're going to be read by